Did you know that patients with hidradenitis suppurativa often go 8 to 10 years from the time of onset to the time of diagnosis, during which they suffer from severe pain, drainage, and scarring before even receiving a first-line therapy, let alone something effective? Hi, I'm Dr. Adam Friedman, professor and chair of dermatology at GW School of Medicine and Health Sciences, and I'd like to invite you to join us in partnership with Insight for an interactive educational program designed for you as NPs and PAs on providing care for patients with HS during the DEF Essential Resource Meeting NPPA CME Conference in Las Vegas on Wednesday, July 22nd from 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Pacific Time. That's a mouthful, I realize. The program is titled Empowering the HS Truth Journey, Patient Voices and Pathway Science. Together, we'll explore current management approaches, unmet patient needs, and the science behind HS pathophysiology. You also hear directly from a patient about their experience navigating HS and the daily challenges they face. This session is designed to be practical and engaging with interactive workshops and peer-to-peer discussions focused on improving patient communication, recognizing opportunities to prevent disease progression, super important, and building confidence in managing complex HS cases. The workshop will be moderated by myself, along with Matthew Bruno and Andrea Nguyen, two of my fellow DF faculty members and longstanding friends. We hope you'll join us for this important conversation and leave with actionable tools you can apply in your own practice on Monday or Tuesday when you're back from this meeting. Register today at dermppa.org/HSTruths with an S. We look forward to seeing you at DEF.